to today's video. Today's video is on how to make some tuna. I have an onion and some tuna here. I'm going to show you how I clean my rice to eat it, and then I'll show you how I cook it on the stove. I have an apron on, so for cooking purposes, so we're going to enjoy with our apron. So the first thing that I have are 2 packets of tuna. I got this. I'm going to be eating for lunch before I head out to train. I have some legs and back today. I have an onion that is about to go kind of bad, so we want to cut about half of this, cook this up. You always want to put this on the skillet first. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of cook up a little bit more rice for tonight because I got to eat my carbs. Okay, so whenever you get some rice, it's really important to wash your rice because it has dirt. If you buy quinoa, it usually has dirt, so I like to wash it and just kind of clean out the rice. So I do this about 3 to 4 times. Just 3. I'll do 1 more. PM. And then now I'm going to fill this up with some water. So the water was not like brown or dirty or anything, so that's good. All right, that should be about enough. And then we're going to put it here in the rice cooker. And I'm going to put it on here and put it on cook. And this is my fancy tea box. Okay, it has a bunch of tea from somebody that sent me a bunch of tea. If you know me, you know that I love tea. So anyways, this is going to cook for takes about 10 minutes to cook, really fast, super cool and fast. We have some tea boiling up. I need to buy a tea kettle. This one's broken, so I just got a new one. I'm going to be getting that. We're going to be using some olive oil today. This is my olive oil. Fun fact, if you get olive oil from like your grocery store, Walmart, Aldi, Wegmans, Whole Foods, the majority of the olive oil that you find on the market or like on the shelves are already delayed in the, I think, growth cycle or something like that. So just a fun fact that I discovered. So technically it's not like pure. If you want to get like pure olive oil, then you're going to want to get like a Greek market or like something that was imported, because apparently that's better than these guys. But I also have my socks that say demand greatness. Demand greatness. I got it as a gift from competing because I'm a winner. I have a no shoe policy because I don't like dirt in my hizzy house. So, all right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your knife and I'm going to clean out this onion. Pretty simple. I have a wooden cutting board. I would have gotten a marble cutting board, but the wooden one instead. So there's a marble cutting board. It's really nice. It's like $100, but I didn't want to spend that. So this is the thing. I already had the skillet going on a low heat. A little bit of olive oil is already on the pan. And I like to get the white onion, but you can get red onion. And you want to peel it. So this is the skin, right? Or I guess the outer part. So we're going to want to remove that. Okay, so whenever you cut an onion, you want to do it as fast as possible so the chemicals don't come in your eyes, because otherwise you're going to start crying. So there's no real like magic behind this. I just cut it up and just try to get it as tiny as possible. I already took out the tuna here. I'm going to put this on the skillet in a second as soon as it's done warming up. I also have these curry leaves, great for cooking up some spice, spiciness to your food. Hot and spicy. Tuna, we're going to add to the onions. I'm going to add my rice to my tuna to make it kind of like into a paella. This is rice from yesterday. Fun fact is when your food is getting a little bit dry from cooking, just add a little bit of water or some sort of liquid or juice, and now we'll keep the flavors kind of moving. This is my final meal. We've got onions, white rice, 2 packets of tuna, a little bit of black pepper, olive oil, and some fish kind of condiment. Enjoy this. Pretty big meal. This is around, I would estimate, 150 calories and minimal fat, although the fat is from the olive oil. I'm gonna eat this, drink some water with my meal, and then head to the gym. I'll show you a video of me after the gym with a really nice pump. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.